If your condenser fan blade is hitting the shroud or housing, it's a sign you gotta check that blade as soon as possible to avoid bigger headaches. So first off, shut off the power to your unit. Safety first, you know. Then, take a good look at the fan blade and see if it's bent or warped. If it is, try gently bending it back into place with pliers, but be careful not to crack it. If the blade looks cracked or too damaged, you'll want to replace it completely. Next, check the fan motor shaft for any wobbling that can cause the blade to hit the housing too. Tighten any loose screws holding the fan or shroud in place because sometimes it's just a simple alignment issue. After adjusting, spin the blade by hand to make sure it doesn't touch anything. Turn the power back on and listen for any weird noises. If it's still rubbing, you might need a professional to look at it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser fan blades hitting the shroud is ignoring the problem and letting it get worse, which can damage the motor and cost way more in repairs. Another common issue is not checking if the blade is warped or bent before trying quick fixes. Sometimes a new blade is the only real solution. Lastly, people often forget to tighten or adjust the mounting screws on the fan and shroud, which can cause misalignment and noise. The fix? Always inspect and tighten everything, replace damaged blades, and don't wait too long to address rubbing sounds. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress and guesswork. It also helps contractors get connected with people who really need their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.